the screen and showing how to go through the website and how to use it, where to click. We're going to answer all the questions in regards to uh, how the Launchpad itself is going to be working, about the stages and all that. So whatever questions you guys have, please raise your hand, and it's going to be a live question answer. So you're going to be answering the question in this chat today, and we're going to be answering all of them. The main speaker for tonight is Max. So once they finish in a couple of seconds here, we're going to give the word to Max. He is going to share his screen on the computer and go through the website. So please join in. Please ask questions, and we're going to be more than happy to answer them all. Max, are you ready to start?
Yep, I'm
Okay.
here.
Be turning off my camera and the microphone, and we'll go ahead and start the conference. Thank you.
Yeah, hello everyone. Thank you so much for attending this conference. Just give me 1 second. I'm gonna share my screen and then we're gonna start. Just let me know if you can see my screen.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, sounds good. All right, so we're gonna start from our Grand Time platform Launchpad pages, the main pages where you will be able to buy grant tokens, where you'll be able to get referral link and to sell grant tokens. So let me start from the beginning. So first of all, once you're registered on the platform, you will be able to see the Launchpad page where here are the numbers. This is just test numbers, so I can show you how it actually works. So you'll be able to see the whole information about the Launchpad, the phase from phase 1 of 201, percentage of tokens sold in this phase, amount of tokens sold in this phase, and amount of tokens available to be sold on this particular phase. In total, it will be sold 1 billion grant tokens, and it will be split to 201 phases. More detailed information about the phases and the price grant token on each phase you'll be able to see right here. It's on our detailed project description page on the Launchpad phases detailed table where you can see each phase and price of the token on each phase. So the first step for you to do is to connect your wallet. Here in my example, I already connected the wallet, but it will just show you the screen where you need to enter your wallet address. Make sure that you connect your ERC20 wallet, because otherwise, if it's not ERC20 wallet and doesn't support ERC20 tokens like our grant token, you'll not be able to receive them. So please make sure that you connect the right wallet. Once the wallet is connected, you will be able to see the confirmation. So you're gonna say here confirmed, and you'll be able to see the address of the token. Just for the security reason, like it says here, you will not be able to change your withdrawal address. But in case if you find out that you did some mistake or you want to swap your address to the different one, you can always contact our support and they will help you to change it to the right one. All right, so the next step, once the wallet is connected, you will need to pick the payment type that you want to use to make the purchase of grant tokens. So we are offering 3 payment types. Let me start from the first one. We partnered with coin payments, so you'll be able to buy the grant tokens with any cryptocurrency. So it can be Bitcoin, it can be Dogecoin, Litecoin, you name it. So pretty much you can buy it with any type of the coin. In order for you to do this, you just, once the wallet is connected, you just need to click the buy on coin payments and you will see this pop up. On the pop-up, you will see all this vital information. Make sure that when you continue the purchase, you use the same email that you used to register on the Grand Time platform. Here, you'll be able to enter the amount of tokens that you want to purchase. So like an example here, and then it's going to calculate for you the actual price of the tokens. Or the second option for you, you can just enter the amount here. Let's say if you want to buy for 1 grand, $1,000, it's going to calculate you in real time, depending on the phase of the token, the price of the token, um, the amount of token that you're going to receive. Please make sure that you check all the descriptions, because the minimum purchase amount is $100. The amount that you see here, it already includes the fee. The fee will be always shown in real time and will be updated depending on the network and the Ethereum network price. So here you'll be able to see the description of what does this fee include. So in this case, in coin payments, this fee includes the Ethereum network gas fee. So the fee that to send grant tokens to your withdrawal address, and the coin payments commission, the actual service provider commission, so you can complete the payment. Once you decided to make the purchase, you decided with grant tokens, you just need to hit the buy grant tokens, and you will be forwarded to the payment screen where you will need to hit the buy grant tokens, and you will be forwarded to the payment screen where you will be able to complete the purchase. So the first step for you here is to enter the information, the first name, last name, email, your address, country, zip code, and then you will be able to select the token that you want to make the purchase with. Let's say you have the Bitcoin, right, to make the payment. So you're just going to select the Bitcoin, and then you will hit complete checkout, and you will be forwarded to the screen where it's going to show you the amount of Bitcoins that you need to send to the address. Once the purchase is completed, um, it will show you the status like it's paid, and then you can come back to our page, and here on the transaction history, you will be able to see your transaction. In coin payments, usually it takes, we are mentioning on our platform that it can take up to 24 hours for you to receive the grant tokens, and but usually it takes 1 to 2 hours until the coin payments receive your Bitcoin. Then we'll send it to our smart contract. Once our smart contract received your payment, it will transfer you the money for this exact payment. And here I'm gonna send you, so you will be able to see, let's say we did the purchase, you will be able to see the date, the type of the payment, the amount in Ethereum that our smart contract received. So all cryptocurrency will be converted to the Ethereum and will be sent to our smart contract. So here, in case if you have any other questions, you'll be able to see the description, what is the amount. Here you'll be able to see the amount of tokens that were sent to your address and the status of your transaction. If it's pending, it's still pending, so you need to wait. Once the transaction is completed, it's going to show you the success, and then you can go to your wallet and check if you received your tokens. Usually, like I said, it's up to 24 hours, but in most cases, it will be within one to 2 hours. The second option for you will be if you want to pay directly with Ethereum. The first step for you, it will be, in order for you to purchase tokens with Ethereum directly, you will need to pass the KYC procedure. We need this KYC procedure in order to comply with all local laws and regulations, and it will help us in the future to be published on Tier 1 and Tier 2 exchanges, and it will help to the project. So usually the KYC process takes on average 1 to 2 minutes. Sometimes it may take a little longer, but it will show you in real time how is the KYC process is going. In my case, since I already completed the KYC, once it's finished and if everything is good, it will show you that verification completed. Congratulations, and then you can continue your token purchase. So once you hit continue, you will see the same screen, but for Ethereum. Here, make sure that when you pay with Ethereum, you need to pay the address that you connected as withdrawal address for grant tokens has to be the address from where you deposit the Ethereum. We need this for smart contracts, so it can send you directly the grant tokens to your wallet. The same strategy here, you just type the amount of tokens that you want to purchase, and it will show you right away the amount of Ethereum that we need to send, or you can do otherwise, and you can say, let's say you want to buy for 1 Ethereum. So it's going to calculate for you already the fee for the network. It's going to calculate for you the price of the token on current phase. So it's going to do all the calculation for you. Again, make sure that for direct deposit method, the wallet that you connect as a withdrawal address must be the wallet from which you deposit Ethereum. Here you'll be able to see in real time the updated commission. So this commission includes the current Ethereum network fee to send you grant tokens, the KYC commission, so you pass the KYC, and to add your address to our smart contract as a whitelist address, so you can actually purchase tokens. So once you completed this, let's say everything is good, everything looks good, and you want to buy grant tokens for 1 Ethereum, you just need to hit the buy grant tokens. It will show you the screen here, the amount in Ethereum that you need to send, and you will need to send this Ethereum to the address here. You have two options. First option, you can just copy the address. It says copy it and then enter in your wallet. Or the second option, you can scan the QR code and then it will pop up, the wallet will pop up on your wallet that you use to make the payment. Once you completed the purchase and everything is great, you just hit I have sent Ethereum. It will show you the confirmation that once the payment will be received, and our smart contract will send you automatically your grant tokens to your withdrawal address. Again, here it says it can take up to 24 hours, but usually it's a little faster. The next step for you is to make sure that once you made the purchase, you need to make sure that you added your grant token on your wallet. So you make it visible in order for you to see the grant tokens that will be transferred to your wallet. In case if you don't know how to do this or you didn't complete this step before, we created for you the video tutorial that you can click here, and then just it will show you how you can do this. It will show you all the information, the address that you need to copy and add to your wallet, pretty much the whole instruction. After that, you're good to go. Your transaction, once the transaction is completed and we received your Ethereum, it will show up here as a direct Ethereum deposit, showing you the amount of Ethereum that we received after all commissions and network fees, and the amount of grant tokens that was sent to your withdrawal address and the status of this transaction. Next step, the last, is in case if you want to purchase grant tokens with debit or credit card, we partnered with Now Payments service provider. So it's pretty much the same process. You will have the pop-up here. You just enter the amount of tokens that you want to purchase, and it's going to calculate for you right away the amount of dollars that you need to send. Here, the same way, it calculates all the fees, commissions right away for you, and it will be added to this final price here. So once you send it, it's already included here. Once you complete it, let's say we're going to purchase for $200. The next step for you is to hit the buy grant tokens, and you will be redirected to the payment provider, where you just need to pick the dollar amount. So don't worry if your credit card currency, let's say euros or I don't know, rubles or hryvnias or whatever currency you're gonna use, no worries. The system gonna convert your currency automatically. So you can use pretty much any credit or debit card, no matter what country you're purchasing from. It will be converted automatically. Once you selected the USD, you hit proceed to the payment, and then you just follow the instruction for the payment provider. And then you just pretty much follow it once it's completed. Once the purchase is completed, you're gonna come back to your Green Time account, to the Launchpad page. You will be able to see the pretty much as the same as all other payment methods. You will be able to see it here, that is now payments, and it's still processing, or it's completed, and then the amount of Ethereum that was received, because we also, once you pay with dollars, we convert it to the Ethereum and send to the smart contract. So smart contract can send you back the amount of grant tokens for the purchase that we received. So it's pretty much everything for the Launchpad page. We'd also have the affiliate program page in case if you want to help the project to move to grow. You can promote the project and get the 20% commission from any purchase from your referral. Um, so let me explain how it works here. Pretty much the same process here. You'll be able to see the amount of referral people that you already got in your referral link and the amount of Ethereum that you earned from your referrals. So it's 20% here from all the purchases from your referrals. So the first step for you will be to connect your withdrawal address for Ethereum. So here, the address can be pretty much from any wallet, since we're going to send you the Ethereum. So you can even connect your um, exchange wallet to here. Once it's done, you're gonna hit accept terms, get your referral link. It will show up here and here, and you can start promoting the Grand Time project. Once your referral made the purchase, so let's say if your referral made the purchase for 1 Ethereum, um, you will get 20% from this, so it's 0.2 Ethereum directly deposited for you instantly once the purchase has been completed. And again, here you will see the transaction history where you'll be able to see all the information about the referral. So in this case, you will be able to see the date, the time, the user ID for your referral, the amount of grant tokens that they purchased, the amount of their purchase amount. So they purchased for 0.022 Ethereum in this case, and your referral bonus. And the status, if it's saying it's success, it means that we already sent your Ethereum reward to your connected wallet. And the third page, this will be the page for our platform community users who used the platform before the Launchpad page and who did the social mining tasks. And they will be able to contribute and deposit their tokens to participate in sale during the Launchpad. So in order for them to do this, here the same, they will be able to see all the information about the Launchpad, phases, prices, but in addition to this, they will be able to see the amount of grant tokens that's available to be sold on this phase. So for our community, you will be able to sell up to 50% from each phase. So in case, like an example, so if in this in phase it's like 10 million grants available to be purchased at all, so our community can sell up to 5 million tokens. Um, exactly the same process here. You need to first connect your withdrawal address. Then once it's withdrawn, you can now sell your grant tokens which is in your platform, in the Grand Time platform. The only limitation here, so first of all, only users who earned their tokens before the start of the Launchpad will be able to sell it. And the second limitation is that you'll be able to sell only from 50,000 to 100,000 in one phase per each user. We just did this so everyone has a chance to sell it and have some rewards from their sale. Again, here you can see all the information about this. So once the sale is completed, it will show up here. It will show you that you deposited grants, the transaction ID amount, the amount of tokens that you're gonna sell, and it will be right away deducted from your Grand Time balance, the phase where you're selling your tokens, and the price of the token on this phase. Once it's completed and everything looks good, the phase, we already switched to the next phase. Let's say if it was first phase and it's completed, we covered the phase and we switched to the second phase. The system will automatically send, here you'll see your balance, the amount of Ethereum that you earned. And in order for you to withdraw the Ethereum that you earn, it will be the same two ways like we have with grant token withdrawal. You will have two options. The first option to withdraw it right away, and you're just gonna cover the this commission for transferring tokens. Or the second option is to withdraw it for free, and then you will just need to wait until the project gonna combine different transaction and send it to you for free. Um, so pretty much this is everything for Launchpad. Let me know if you have any questions or
Max,
you have
I
some.
see one question in the chat. It says, "I'm sorry for the new question. Why the grant price is not the same with the price of the grant campaign?"
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, I still not here.
Here is something wrong with connection.
Could you hear the question, or you can read it in the chat yourself
Yeah,
if
not
you
not
can?
yeah, now I hear you. Yeah, now I hear you.
Okay, sounds good. So the question is, I'm going to repeat it. It says, "Excuse me for the new question. Why the grand price is not the same with the price grand campaign?"
Um, I didn't understand the question correctly. Uh,
Uh, Me neither. Maybe they are talking about the Uniswap price.
so basically, let me share again the screen to explain the prices. So all the prices for each phase you'll be able to find here. Whole information about the green token price on each phase and the amount of tokens available to on each phase. In case if you're asking about why the token on Uniswap is different from token on the Launchpad, the Uniswap is created just as a test to show how the token works and to give opportunity for our users to test it. And here you will find the explanations. So we created to maximize the availability and potential of the project to a small amount of grant tokens that we added to the liquidity pool. Um, Once we finish the Launchpad, we're gonna list the token on tier one and tier two exchanges. So hopefully I was able to answer the question.
Okay, Max. Thank you for answering. And also, I've seen that we had a couple of more people show up closer to the middle of the presentation, and I'm just gonna share a question that people ask me a lot during the my live streams on Instagram and Telegram. And I think it would be logical to answer this question here as well. People usually always ask, what do you think or know would be the fastest and the cheapest way to purchase during the lunch pad? Since we have
You were
multiple
cutting out
payment,
again.
can you hear me?
Now, yeah, I hear you now, but you were cutting out when you.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So my question was not my question, but a question that people ask me a lot. Do What do you think is the cheapest and the fastest way to purchase at the Launchpad? Since there's a couple of different payment methods that we have, what would be the cheapest commission wise and time wise as well? Thank you.
Gotcha. Yeah, it's a great question. So we did the three payment types to make it more smooth and convenient for our community to make the purchase. But the fastest and the cheapest method will be direct Ethereum deposit, since you're depositing directly to the smart contract, which we're going to send you right away your purchase tokens. So I would recommend, in case if you have the Ethereum, I would recommend you to purchase with direct Ethereum deposit method.
Thank you for answering the question. Another person asked the question here in the chat. Can you hear me? I just want to double check before I ask the question.
Not a little bit, but yeah, let's try.
Okay, so the question that we just got is it possible to pay for a token with another cryptocurrency? Even though we answered this question, but the person probably added in the middle of the presentation, so let's cover that again.
Sure. Yes, we partner with coin payment service provider, so you will be able to pay with any type of the cryptocurrency available on coin payments. And from whatever I remember, it's up to 100 coins and tokens available for the payment.
Thank you very much for answering this question as well. We are gonna give a minute or so for other participants to ask questions if they have them. While we're waiting for the questions, I just wanted to remind everyone that in case somebody missed the presentation or it's too late in that country, the video and the audio of the presentation is going to be saved and published. So whoever missed it will be able to rewatch it again. Also, we're going to be meeting with our Russian speaking community in another chat in about 35 minutes here. So please join in, and you guys will be able to ask questions there as well. And we're going to be answering them in Russian. So basically, the same presentation showing going through all the steps and details and answering questions, but for another community that speaks another language. So um, just I don't see any more questions as of right now. So Max, if you want to have finish up the presentation, say a couple of words, and we're probably going to be wrapping up if you don't have anything else to say.
Sorry, Rafael, I didn't hear anything that you said because it was cutting out.
Um,
Can you repeat?
can you hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you now.
Okay, yeah, I just wanted to say that I don't see any more questions in this chat, and I just said that we are going to be meeting with our Russian speaking community in another Telegram chat in about 35 minutes here. And if we don't have any more questions, I just want to give the last word to Max to finish up the presentation, and we're gonna post the recording, audio, and video in the chat as well for other people to see it.
Yeah, I anticipate that it might be a little extra questions about the calculators and about the commissions and about everything. So I just want to say that we will create the separate videos um, that we're going to post on our YouTube channel for each payment method. So you will be able to see step by step the actual purchase process in case if something was difficult to understand or someone not visited this conference. Plus, I want to say that we are just trying to make everything as transparent as possible. So that's why you will be able to see all the commissions, all the prices in real time, and we do calculation for you. Once you made the purchase, you will be able to see it on the Ethereum network. So again, everything is transparent. Everything is made as simple as possible. So if there
Thank
is
you.
no other questions, yeah, thank you so much for visiting our conference. And in case if someone else will have the questions after that, you can always post them on our Grand Time English chat, and we will try to answer them as soon as possible.
Thank you, Max. Thank you guys for being here. We're gonna be wrapping up, and we will see people from Russian speaking community in about half an hour. So can't wait to see you guys. Please join. Thank you.
Thank you so much.